What is AI? This robot is standing here on a bridge. Now this robot, if you ask that robot to take a decision, how can he go from here to here? Until and unless you have, if this robot has the ability of AI, this robot will not be able to take a decision. But if there is a machine learning, if there is AI, this is known as machine learning. All machine learnings are AI. In machine learning, there is another subset known as deep learning. What is deep learning? Let us start. What is AI? So AI is the technology whereby machines try to mimic the activities of human, especially the cognitive activities of humans like thinking, problem solving, decision making, use of logic, thereby creating a kind of a system where human activities which are more repetitive in nature, human activities which does not require logical reasoning to a very great extent can be replaced by AI. So students, start writing. It will be a video whereby your own notes will get prepared, because until and unless you have your own notes for your mains, revision will be a problem. Okay, keep writing. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machine to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving and decision making. Full stop. Aim of AI is to mimic human intelligence by creating self-learning patterns. Full stop. Now you know the definition of AI. Let us come to the second question. तो बेसिकली हमें समझ में आ गया क्या है AI? AI is that technology जहाँ पे हम ह्यूमन लाइक एक्टिविटीज़ को मिमिक करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे आपका टोस्टर नहीं सोच सकता, टोस्टर कैन नॉट थिंक, बट यू कैन. अ टोस्टर कैन नॉट टेक अ डिसीजन कि अब ब्रेड को बाहर निकाल देना चाहिए, बट यू कैन. सो दिस डिफरेंशिएट्स बिटवीन यू एंड मशीन. But if the toaster is also made intelligent, if some kind of AI is also installed in that, this means that toaster will also be able to take some decisions, and this ability is known as AI. And this AI means learning, also learning the activities. आपने एक बार कुछ चीज़ फीड कर दी कंप्यूटर में तो कंप्यूटर भी कर लेता है, but all computers are not AI enabled. All computers are not artificially intelligent. The moment we make a computer intelligent, this means that the computer will also learn more. They will also start learning from the external environment, creating their own algorithms and start taking decisions. So improvement, एक चीज़ feed कर दी, वो खुद हो रही है, no AI. आपने एक चीज़ feed कर दी, वो अपने आप इम्प्रूव कर रही है, वो प्रोग्राम, वो एल्गोरिदम खुद इम्प्रूव कर रहा है अपने आप से. दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. एंड द सबसेट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज, सो दिस इज एआई. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का सबसेट क्या है? मशीन लर्निंग. मशीन लर्निंग मीन्स मशीन स्टार्ट्स टू मेक इट्स ओन एल्गोरिदम्स. अपने एल्गोरिदम्स बनाती है, खुद इम्प्रूव करती है. धीरे धीरे एक्सटर्नल डेटा प्रोसेसिंग, टेकिंग डेटा, प्रोसेसिंग इट एंड पैकिंग इट विद अ न्यू एल्गोरिदम. तो एक नया एल्गोरिदम जो उससे पहले कभी था ही नहीं, जो हमने नहीं दिया, जो किसी ने फीड नहीं किया, किसी साइंटिस्ट ने फीड नहीं किया है वो एल्गोरिदम. नोबडी हैज फेड दैट एल्गोरिदम इनटू कंप्यूटर और दैट मशीन, बट machine is itself learning from the external environment. Example, to understand, if there is a robot or maybe not just a robot or a machine, आपने उसके सामने उसके अंदर फीड किया मूव फॉरवर्ड, कोई एआई नहीं है। लेकिन अगर एआई होगा और मशीन लर्निंग होगी, देन दैट robot can take the inputs from outside, take the data from outside and create a new algorithm. This means that if there is a river that is flowing and this robot is standing here on a bridge. Now this robot, if you ask that robot to take a decision, how can he go from here to here? Until and unless you have, if this robot has the ability of AI, this robot will not be able to take a decision. But if there is a machine learning, if there is AI, this robot can sense, take input from the external environment. उसने देखा bridge, river, oh I will jump, I will crash, what should I do? Then it will create a new algorithm. अब algorithm क्या होता है? Computer 0101 code, है ना? It will create a new algorithm and thereby find a solution from its own learned inputs. और उसने बोला यहाँ से ऐसे नहीं जा सकते, let us go right and then go forward. So this means that this machine has the ability to learn from the external environment and take decision. This is known as machine learning. It is the subset of AI. Not all machine learnings are AI, but all AI must have or should have, all machine learnings are AI, but AI may not have machine learning. There are very limited or narrow machine learning AIs which do not have this ability of learning too much. Example, have you seen or have you heard about games, है ना, जो आप video games खेलते हो, है ना, those video games. Now these video games, supposedly you are playing chess or supposedly you are playing, what do you say, Candy Crush or whatever you play. Now these games are trained only in a limited sense. They are not very trained. Can you train or can you expect a chess program or a chess algorithm to start learning how to play some other game on internet, maybe like Minesweeper or Solitaire? Will it learn? No, because it is an AI, but it is very narrow in its approach. It is not having the capability of machine learning. Okay? In machine learning, there is another subset known as deep learning. What is deep learning? Deep learning is that capability whereby not just learning from the environment, but logically connecting it through neural networks. Neural networks. What are neural networks? Like our brain doesn't think like simple codes do. Yeah? Our brain is not like simple computer. Our brain is much more complex because we work on the patterns or what is known as neural patterns. Our algorithm is not 0, 1, but our algorithms go like this. One input, many output, and from these output we form a link. This output is also linked to this output, and then again there may be many outputs, and all of will be linked to each other. So our thinking is very complex. We can, जैसे अगर मैं आपको simple example दूँ, if we can give you a simple example like this pink lid, है ना? We can also connect it with pink lipstick. We can also connect it with anything pink. Pink is the color of girls, some people say. So what is this? Now we have connected this color of a lid to very random, very obscure things. How could we do it? Because of our thinking abilities which are based on neural networks. Now if this ability is also generated in a computer or a system, then it is known to work under the system of neural networks. बहुत अलग एबिलिटी दे देता है ये मशीन्स को सोचने की, हमारी तरह सोचने की. It's a big advancement in technology. Therefore, when we integrate deep learning in machines, it works on neural network and thereby start taking decisions on various factors like human beings. Example, so there has been recent researches whereby some people were talking to some random computer programs, but they could not identify that they were random computer programs, rather they were feeling like it is a human being. तो human beings की बातों को, उनके comparisons को, उनकी tone को सब mimic कर लिया AI ने. कैसे किया? Through deep learning. So in this sense that from outside to inside we are moving towards more and more advancement. ठीक है?